The black mamba versus the inland taipan. The fastest snake in the world versus the most venomous snake in the world. The kiss of death versus the fierce snake. Hi guys, in this video we're going to find out which snake is more dangerous, the black mamba or the inland taipan. And among these two snakes, who would win in a fight? Let me start with some basic facts. The black mamba belongs to the family Elapids. They are found in Africa. Their habitat includes savannas and woodlands. Their skin color varies from grey to dark brown. The black part of its name is derived from the color of its mouth. The inland taipan also belongs to the family Elapids. These guys are found in Australia. Their habitat includes semi-arid regions and deserts. Inland taipans adapt to their environment by changing the color of their skin during seasonal changes. They tend to become lighter during summer and darker during the winter. This seasonal color change serves the purpose of thermoregulation, allowing the snake to reflect light in summer and absorb light in the colder months. The black mamba is the second longest venomous snake in the world after the king cobra, reaching lengths up to 14 feet. The average length is around 3 meters. Black mambas are the athletes of the snake kingdom. They are the fastest snake in the world. Over long distances, the black mamba can travel a burst of 7 miles an hour, but over short sprints, it can move 14 miles per hour. It can even travel with a third of its body raised off the ground. Black mambas are also incredible swimmers and tree climbers. The inland taipan is a comparatively shorter snake. These guys can reach lengths up to 2.5 meters. The average length is around 1.8 meters. Inland taipans may not be as fast as the black mamba, but these guys are pretty fast. The venom of the black mamba and the inland taipan is predominantly neurotoxin, and just like other elapids, both of these snakes have front fixed fangs. Neurotoxin paralyzes the body and shuts down major organs including the diaphragm. If not treated with antivenom at the right time, death occurs due to asphyxiation. Black mambas are among the most venomous snake in the world. The inland taipan, however, is the most venomous snake in the world. The toxicity of any venom is determined by its LD50 value. The lower the LD50 value, the more toxic the venom. The LD50 value of the black mamba's venom is 0.33 milligrams per kilogram. The inland taipan's venom is far more toxic with an LD50 value of 0.025 milligrams per kilogram. Black mambas can inject up to 400 milligrams of venom, which is enough to kill around 20 people. And although inland taipans can inject only up to 110 milligrams of venom, it is enough to kill over 100 people or 250,000 mice. But did you know that black mambas have the fastest acting venom of any venomous snake? Yes, you heard it right. There's a reason why the bite of a black mamba has been called the kiss of death. Their venom is very fast acting. If a human is bitten, death can occur as early as 20 minutes. On the other hand, it takes around 45 minutes for a human to die from the bite of an inland taipan. All the snakes in the world prefer flight over fight. Yes, there are some really huge snakes like the reticulated python, which on very rare cases prey on humans. But all the other snakes prefer flight over fight. In fact, snakes use their speed primarily to escape. It is only when snakes are cornered or feel threatened that they will attack. Each snake has a personality. Some are calm and some are cranky. A snake that appears to be calm can very well get cranky any second. Black mambas on default are cranky snakes. They don't have a calm side. Black mambas are very nervous snakes, and if they feel even slightly threatened, they will be highly aggressive. Comparatively, inland taipans are much calmer and relaxed. However, this does not mean that they can't get as aggressive as the black mamba. In fact, any snake or any wild animal for that matter are unpredictable. Both the black mamba and the inland taipan are diurnal. The black mamba feeds on rodents, lizards, birds, bush babies, and other small mammals. Black mambas have also been known to consume other snakes. The inland taipan preys exclusively on warm-blooded mammals. This includes the native rats and mice. Black mambas are far more dangerous than the inland taipan. In fact, many snake experts consider the black mamba to be the most dangerous snake in the world. There are 4 reasons for this. The first reason is their size. Being the second longest venomous snake in the world and reaching lengths up to 14 feet, black mambas have a huge strike range. The second reason is their incredible athleticism. The speed of the black mamba is no joke, and the fact that these guys can raise 1/3 of their body while traveling. One point I didn't mention earlier is that black mambas can also lift half their body. On the other hand, the inland taipan may move fast on the ground, but it is not really an athletic snake. These guys can't even lift their own body. The third reason is their venom. Both the black mamba and the inland taipan have a very toxic venom. However, the bite of a black mamba can kill much quicker. The fourth and last reason is their cranky personality. Black mambas are cranky, and these guys will be highly aggressive even if they feel slightly threatened. Forget humans. Black mambas have been known to attack and kill lions, and these guys are known to strike multiple times. Black mambas are so cranky that they have never been known to deliver a dry bite. A dry bite is when the snake bites without injecting its venom into the body of its prey. Note: all these 4 reasons I just explained is only from the perspective of a snake handler. For the general public, both the black mamba and the inland taipan are extremely dangerous. However, I would still give the edge to the black mamba because of their willingness to bite and faster acting venom. Black mambas are known to kill people every year. This is due to their high proximity with humans. On the other hand, inland taipans live in remote areas and there has never been a documented death of a human due to an inland taipan bite. The only people who get bitten by an inland taipan are the ones who work with these snakes. The reason why the inland taipan has been called the fierce snake is due to their highly toxic venom and not their temperament. At the end of the day, mambas, cobras or taipans, as long as we leave these snakes alone, they're gonna leave us alone. Snakes are just like any other animal. They don't want to be in the way of something big and scary like a human being. Black mambas have been known to feed on other snakes. The inland taipan, however, preys exclusively on mammals. So, if a fight were to happen between these two, I would put my money on the black mamba. Black mambas are also longer, faster and crankier. And so in my opinion, black mambas have more chance of winning this fight.